Socks at a low price at $9.95. We carry Work King jeans at $15 a pair, or denim Work King jackets at $19.95.
What agreeable price do you have on
Endure flame resistant gray coveralls at $89.95 with stripes? You'll agree with me when I say
Sports, the Storm have announced that former assistant coach Matt Hughes will take over as head coach for the 2013-14 season. Blaine Bablitz has relinquished the role to focus on his work as general manager. Bablitz says players will notice a difference in coaching system work
by one of their 3 locations today.
In truck box 31.9 and 06 Hyundai Sonata GL now just 12.7 for an 06.
Edwards Factory in Grande Prairie. Sure hope so. It's been a tough year.
Edwards Factory Outlet Grand Prairie? It's just less. They're between Prairie Mall and Superstore.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Catch some fish and fry them up. Supper from the